Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set up page numbering from a specific page in a Word document. For example, we have 6 pages in this document and we would like to start page numbering from third page. Okay, this is the third page. We are right now in the fourth page. Let's move to the third page. So we want to start page numbering from this third page. Okay, we have 2 pages above from this one. Okay, but we want to start it from this third page. So to start it from third page, first of all, come here to the start of that page, then move here, just come here to the layout. So after coming to the layout, come here to the bricks. After coming to the bricks option, press here next page. See, after pressing the next page, now let's move back to the insert page. In the insert page, come here to the page numbers and insert page numbers. For example, bottom of page, we want to insert the page numbers like here. Press it. So the page number has been inserted. Look at right now we have 3 in this page, but we should start it from here. It should be 1. So now just come here to the header and footer, this section. After coming here, now check this link to previous. See, after unchecking this option, now let's move back to the insert page and come here to the page numbers and format page numbers. Press this option. So after that, start at, look at and start from first one and press OK. See, that has been changed to first one, to the 1. Okay, because let's just click here. Right now this is the first page right now because it is third page. Okay, above from that we have 2 other pages, but those has started from 1 and 2, but this section has started from itself. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. This has been started like this. If you want to edit the first one, okay, these, so you can just remove the page number from these 2. Okay, just come here. So we want to remove the page number from these first and second page. So come here to the page numbers and press remove page number. So now let's move. Okay, this is the first page. See, the page number has been removed and also from the second one, but in the third one it has started from first page number, second, third and fourth. That's how it is working. Okay, to set up the page number from a specific page in Word document in MS Word. So I hope you learned this concept in this video. If you learned and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.